How to create an online store for fashion and apparel. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to work with squarespace.com and I'm going to create an online store with this platform. So let's get started. So this platform offers a various range of templates. They are pre-made templates that will make the job easier for you. You can just add some adjustments and some edits and your store will be perfect. And also, if you want to start designing your website or your store from scratch, they have also the blank template, which is an empty template that you can design from scratch and in the way you want. So here we can filter the templates by the type or topic. So let's filter by type. Let's go with online store. And also let's go with fashion, and then let's scroll down and see what are the options that we have. So we have those three templates that are related to fashion. Another ones, we have also these ones. So I'm going to go with this template, which is the scene template. You can preview the template from here. Click on preview scene and you click on view demo site to see the template in full screen. So this is the template in full screen. It has a very good design, as you can see, pretty smooth, and it's only fashion for guys or for men. So I think it's a good template. So let's click on start with this design and we wait for them to set things up. Then we will give them a title for the template. So we will type in a title to separate our templates and stores, because we can create a lot of templates with this platform. So just to avoid getting mistaken with other templates, let's go with fashion and apparel, and let's click on continue. Then let's close this tab and we will be good to go. So here we have a variety of sections. We have the website section where we can add pages or create new pages. As you can see here, we have the shop page, about, contact, home, size guide, shipping, return. If you want to delete a page, you can do that from here. Also, we have the commerce section where you can check your orders, inventory, and you can create other products. Here you can create products, you can add payment gateways, and also we have the marketing section, which is obvious for your marketing, your email campaigns, and your SEO, and setting your pixels. Here we have the scheduling. If you are in the consulting business, if you want to set a calendar for scheduling appointments or meetings. Also we have the analytics. If you want to see your chart, see your sales, traffic, geography, orders, conversion rate, your ROI, which is return on investment. Also you can see your settings in here, and in settings you can change your domains or add them. You can also see your Google Workspace. You can change the website's availability, permissions, and languages. Also you can set your payment gateways or your payment processors, like your Stripe account or your PayPal or your Square if you are from the United States. And if you want to edit your template, you just click on edit and you will be able to edit your template. So you will see the template in full screen in seconds, as you can see. And you will have the option of drag and drop if you just want to drag sections or blocks. So you can add sections from here. You just click on add section and you can add section. You can edit gallery from here. You can edit the section. Click on edit section and you will be able to change the gallery and colors. You can change the colors also. And if you scroll down, you can also duplicate this section or move it down. And here we can also do the same. We can also add blocks by clicking on add block, and you can add a text or image or a video or a button or a lot more options. Choose the one you want, and also by scrolling down you can see your product. You can click on the product to change the product page, and here you can change the text to anything that suits you. You can change the text, you can delete it, you can change the color of the text, the type of text, if you want it bold or no. You can change the color of the background. You can make it look like a quote, as you can see, and you can leave it like that. So you can change pretty much everything. And also here you can change the footer. You can just click on edit footer and you will be able to edit the footer, as you can see. And by going up you can also change the header by clicking on here. You can change the header of the website. You can also change the styles by clicking on here, and you will be able to change fonts, colors, animations, and the buttons shape. So you can change the fonts. As you can see, we're now in the parametric extended, and you can change the base size, the global text styles. Also you can change the colors and animations. You can add animations if it's a fade, scale, slide, or flex. You can also change the button's shape, as you can see. So I hope you get the idea, guys. I just wanted to give you a simple tutorial about this platform. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.